Hello YouTube, Vic's Pick and Lock. Right, today I just received a parcel from Jason Carlson, and there's his logo there through the lock. Now, I spoke to Jason by email, and as he was making picks, I asked if he'd make me a pick, and the idea was, behind it, was I wanted to collect picks from all the lock pickers that are making them. So started off my collection with one from Daz Evers, which is a beautiful pick. I might obviously made some myself, but so I asked if Jason would go for it as well. So I sent him a lock out of my collection because he liked high security locks. It wasn't a high security, but it was a very old lock in good condition, and there wasn't many about. So we agreed. He was happy, I was happy, and by the feel of it, I think I've done good here because there's two picks in there. So let's not waste time and open one. I won't turn the packet over because there's names and addresses on it. So if I open this without cutting my fingers, that should be enough. Right, so I've got a little letter first, so just have a quick look. Bear with me. I'm going to read this out. Says here, Vic, hope you enjoy the picks. They were a joy to make for you. I have added another just for the joy of sharing. Let me know when you get them. So obviously I've been in touch with him. Yeah, great, that is brilliant. I'm going to keep that. That's something to put that up on my filing shelf. Right. This desk is a right state. I've got bits of picks and shiny things and blades that I've polished up. A red hybrid. That sounds awesome. I'll try and do this without cutting my fingers. I'm terrible with sharp stuff. Oh wow, that's nice. Who's a lucky boy? That's a nice and thin blade. By the looks of it, I'm going to have to thin my blades down quite a bit. Yes, that is too thick, isn't it? That's beautiful, Jason. Let's do number 2. A blue lightning. Oh, that sounds awesome. Gotcha. I think this is all resin, this one. Oh yeah. That is truly an awesome pick. Well, I know one thing. I won't be able to make picks to this standard. That is also, what have I got the, just bear with me a minute, I've got a caliper here somewhere. 0.6. That's exactly what I'm using. 0.5, 0.6. There you go. And that one. I'll keep remembering to put it in shot. Jason, thank you very much. You just got a friend for life there. So put them over there. So Des Evers, Jason's. If anyone else is interested who makes picks, I'll do my best to trade with you. If it means going out and buying a lock, I'll do that. I do want to get a collection of lock pickers and their equipment that they make. Right, one very happy Fix Picks, and it is Fix Pick and Lock. I'll get there in the end. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and please carry on watching. Yeah, bit excited here. Anyway, thanks very much, and I'll catch you on another one.